Gotta know who I am, know where I'm from, know what's my destiny and know where I'm standing. My rap like this, I'm an African man. I know my roots and my God don't forget. Mama is closer for the Zulu men. Got my own struggles, face them like a man. Culture comes first, gotta know all my clans. As far as I'm concerned, I follow my name. Izibongo, that was make me a real man. I'm passing the culture, they can feel my presence. Because I'm blood, ain't no weapon shall prosper. Damn, I'm protected, no weapon shall prosper. No weapon shall prosper. Do what we love, I just hope to God will support us. Counting on my voice for the money and all the blessings. Everything I do, I just do it because of poverty. Working hard by the end of the day, look like a cup of tea.
Uthi ngubani uzwana ulinda kamkhona uzwana umangetho uzwanini phela ngalokho yena lakuphethe akadlelanga phansi kodwa emthombeni wesinyamazana phela lokhu usukela kusowusana kwakuzoba inkosana kungena valo nokusaba amakhosi ekhuzana ethi empini yena yedwa yosala akukho uthembana igodi zosimama izintombi ziyothi mama ngiyabonga mani ngiyaqala ningaqali ngamanga ngoba sibonaphi isilo wena ushaka walahla usiko wena shaye ngesamangisi sithulile wena ukuthakathaka uyayiwela bangakhi bebalo ngo-70 bebalo umuntu omnyama simama yashona liyaphuma wafana amalanga. Jesus Christ, amen.
To other people what I want other people to do to me.